Hi guys, here are the things you'll need to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android system to an iPhone. You'll need a Type-C to Type-C cable. First we need to install Move to iOS app on our Android. Unfortunately, you will need a factory reset your iPhone to be able to run Move to iOS on the iPhone. Do take note that you will not be able to access Move to iOS app once your iPhone has been fully set up. Once you have factory reset your iPhone, put the phones together and open Move to iOS app on your Android. You'll need to reach the wireless setup on iPhone. You can only use Move to iOS function on your iPhone once the phone is activated. Plug in the USB-C cable on both of the phones. Once the phone is activated, set up the phone until the passcode. Once you have set the passcode, you will see the Move to iOS on your iPhone. Select Transfer from Android. Do not skip this step or you will have to reset the phone again. You can now run Move to iOS on both devices. Enter the code displayed on iPhone. Now, you can select the items to transfer. For this case, it would be WhatsApp messages. The process can take a while. Let it run. Once it's done, insert the SIM card into your iPhone and activate your WhatsApp on the iPhone. Once activated, all your messages will be automatically imported into your iPhone.